Introducing from Dale Hardware, Jigtech, the smart door handle fitting system. Our revolutionary new concept sets a new standard in door handle and latch installation with a simple 5-step fitting process. Step 1. Wedge the door open securely. Measure the latch position and set the backset adjuster. Now clamp the jig to the door. Step 2. Using the 44mm arbor and hole saw, drill the face of the door from the guide side until the drill tip is on the opposite side. Switch sides and use the exit point as a guide to continue drilling. Now remove the core. Using the 25mm hole saw and arbor, drill the latch hole in the edge of the door. Remove the core and any debris. Step 3. Place the keep locator in the latch bore. Close the door in the frame. Using a screwdriver, place the keep locator into the frame to leave a center mark for the keep to be drilled. Fit with a 32mm spade bit. Cut out for the strike clip. Fit the strike plate to the keep. Step 4. Place the plastic spacer in the 44mm handle bore hole. Ensure the latch bolt is aligned in the vertical position. Push the latch in by hand. Use the latch tapper to fit the latch flush with the door edge. Step 5. Take the handle with the spindle and sleeves and locate through the spacer. Now place the remaining half set on the other side and push together. Secure with the machine screws provided. Tighten the rose and spindle grub screws with the Allen key. Jigtech, a quality product from Dale Hardware. View the full range of door furniture, tubular latches and accessories at jigtech.co.uk.